I know many of you are still paying off those December credit card bills. So now, more than ever, we need to learn how to make our dollar stretch. And that's what we're all about. Take a look.
In a world where the high cost of healthcare can be a heavy burden, a superhero emerges with solutions to save you money.
A dollar may seem like a small amount.
From the creators of the blockbuster hit $1 Fast Fixes for Summer comes the sequel, your best $1 Fast Fixes for winter.
Try it, I'm saying it'll work, trust me.
You'll never look at 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 20 nickels, or 100 pennies the same way, ever again.
That's right, the dollar bill is worth more than it looks. And today, I'm gonna show you why you got the best $1 Fast Fixes at your fingertips that are gonna save you money this winter. Now, I asked the audience, all of you at home, to submit your top $1 Fast Fixes. And I selected some of my favorites, but I kept them a surprise. So let's see who's up first with the dollar Fast Fix. It is Denise. Come on down, Denise. We got a fast fix for dry and cracked hands this winter. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
I loved your tip, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
So share with everybody. Explain what it is.
So what I made is an aloe stress ball, and I mixed 2 parts cornstarch with 1 part aloe.
So this is the aloe, right? You put it's pretty liquidy like this.
Yeah, just 1 part aloe.
And it firms up with the starch.
Firms up. Yeah. It makes it into like a clay.
It is a clay. So make here. Then just how long does it take?
Yeah, and you really got to get your. It can be a little messy. You want to have a towel nearby, but basically you just mix it.
I'm going to protect myself with the towel. I've already gotten this all over me.
Like powdered sugar, right?
And how long until it becomes this more firm ball that you're showing everybody?
It's already getting there. It's about 1 more minute, maybe. Not even.
And then when do you use it?
I use it to massage my hands for like joints, or if you have arthritis, or even just as a like conditioner for your skin, because aloe is really good for your skin. Yeah. It kind of relieves stress, right? If you're a little tired and stressed out, right? It's fun.
For the post-credit card bill stress, this is a great tool.
Totally.
Cope with it.
And then you can hand it to your children and they can play with it.
I bet it helps with arthritis and a lot of things too.
It does, yeah.
All right, our next $1 Fast Fix for winter was submitted to us via home video by Jennifer, and she has this really cool idea. You're not gonna believe what she uses to combat her winter dandruff.
Hi, Dr. Oz. To get rid of my winter dandruff, I use mouthwash. It's so simple. You wash your hair as usual, skip the conditioner, and instead you mix mouthwash and baby oil on your scalp, leave it like that. You leave it on for 5-10 minutes and then rinse. You'll be flake-free.
You know, this works if your dandruff is caused by fungus because the alcohol from the mouthwash kills it and then it prevents it from spreading. So Jennifer submitted her before and after photos to prove to you this works. Here she is before. You see, let me circle that area right there where there's a lot of dandruff, and then there she is after. It works really quickly, and we understand why it would work. So I love it. Our next $1 Fast Fix for winter comes from another member of our audience. Let's see who it is. Who's it gonna be? It's Levon and Deborah. Come on down. There they are. And they're armed with tools to teach us. They have the $1 Fast Fix for shoveling snow. Yes. And it is cooking oil.
Non-stick.
Non-stick cooking oil.
Non-stick, yes. It's very important.
All right, so show us how this works. Use your non-stick, cooking oil.
Okay. And you're gonna just spray it real good in there. Get it all in there. And sometimes I'm out there with him just to make sure that I can put some more if it kind of comes off.
All right, so I'll tell you. I want you to demo for us, but I'll tell you the problem I always have.
Yes.
As a heart surgeon, I get most of my patients in the wintertime. And the classic story is he was out there shoveling and then he started feeling chest pain.
Yeah.
Yes. Because that kind of exertion, and you're doing something that's very functional for your family, so you completely ignore the pain.
Absolutely.
I mean, good friends of mine have had heart problems just because of this.
Yes.
Right.
So this could save some lives this winter. Let's just check it out. Shovel it up.
Ooh.
There we are. Now put your back into it, Deborah. Come on out.
Get in there, get in there.
Now you lift that up. Now dump that out. All that stuff out. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't cake up.
Yeah. I usually top it like this once. Yeah. You know what? That's one of the best uses of nonstick cooking spray I've ever seen in my life. I'm very proud of you for protecting him.
Thank you.
Go back, finish that up now. It snowed here last night in the studio. Thank you very much. Up next, fast fixes for this season's most annoying problem, the winter cold. It is my cold cafe exclusively here. Everything on the menu is under $1, and they all work. We're back with the $1 fast fixes for winter. Now, it is amazing how much $1 can stretch, especially when it comes to treating one of this season's most annoying problems, the winter cold. So we've got members of our audience. They're all currently suffering from a winter cold, and they're dining in our cold cafe. Everything on the menu will not only relieve their symptoms, but it all costs under $1. I'm gonna start with Angelina. May I shake your hands, or are you so contagious?
You can shake my hand.
So what symptoms are you worried about?
I struggle with congestion. It gets bad to the point where I can barely breathe, and every medicine that I try just makes me so drowsy.
So we have a new position on the Dr. Oz show. It is the mid-unit pulling double duty. Come on over, Richard. You got the first fix. It's a $1 solution for congestion, and it is horseradish. Now, before I start moaning and groaning about horseradish, as you probably can guess, it really does clear out those nasal passages. I mean, they will open up in a big way. In fact, they'll explode open.
Oh.
Right? So the treatment's pretty simple. Take a little pinch of this.
Okay.
That's it. That's perfect. Put it in there. Don't swallow it. Let it sit there for a little while. It's going to dissipate the flavor in your mouth. Do you feel a little burning in there? That's why you're doing it, not me. Right?
Yum.
Now, once it's completely burned through your mouth, you're going to swallow it because it'll do the exact same. It'll carry the mucus away. Are you okay? Can you breathe? Let me see you. Check your pulse. Good. Was it okay?
It was okay. I made it.
I actually checked it before the show. It wasn't too bad. But I actually like the fact that it clears the mucus out. It's all natural. You can eat the rest of it. It's fantastic for many reasons. And I love the fact, again, the sulfur works on the bacteria.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right. Next, we got Kathy up here.
Hello.
How are you, dear?
I'm good. How are you?
So what symptoms bothering you?
I get terrible migraines. They prevent me from everyday life and my 4 kids with intense pounding.
Migraines. What have you done for it? What works?
I have tried ibuprofen. I've tried laying down in a dark room. I've tried compresses, rubbing my temples. It seems to be worse when the weather changes in the winter.
It is worse with the weather. And you should do those things you just mentioned because they all generally will make it a little better. But I got a little extra something for you today.
Okay.
It is the $1 fix. It's called the migraine milkshake. Okay? And it works great for migraines because it has, thank you, Gretchen. You're doing very well. You're worried about spilling this, I know. She spent the whole night worried about spilling the migraine milkshake. It has riboflavin in it. And studies have been done on this B vitamin showing that if you have enough of it, it can actually reduce migraine incidences by about 50%. Slurp it down, see what it might do for you. Next time you get a cold, you don't want that migraine, this might help.
That's delicious.
Isn't it nice?
That's very good.
Nicely done, Gretchen. Nicely done. For an additional $1 fix that can get you through the winter cold, go to DrOz.com. And remember, healthy and happy starts at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.